welcome to this week's Market Bite. I'm Stephanie. I'm sitting here today with Sheri and Carol in a beautiful home that Sheri is going to be listing coming soon. I think by the end of the week.
Yes, that is correct.
Sheri, can you tell us about this beautiful
Oh,
house?
please. It's gorgeous.
It is absolutely stunning. This is just under 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. There is a primary suite on the first floor and a primary suite on the second floor. It was built in 1930, but has been completely renovated in 2022, and there have been more additions and work done since then. It is absolutely fabulous. Completely open floor plan. The water views are expansive and stunning. The backyard.
It is a second row, but it still has very nice water views.
Absolutely. We are on Shepherd Street. It is second row. They have beautiful backyard appointments and patios and landscaping. There is a sprinkler system. There's a security system.
There's a
whole house generator. Beautiful copper gutters.
Beautiful inside.
Yes. It's just very, very livable.
It really is.
It really is.
It is.
And it's in a great location. I mean, Shepherd Street. They don't sit in this area very long.
No, they don't. Do you have any information on that? What the market's?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Of course she does. Carol has all of our statistics.
Well, as far as Morehead City single-family homes, the average price is actually up this year from $409 last year to $481, so that's up 17%.
That's a lot.
So the market is still moving.
Still climbing.
It's still climbing for sure. The days on market in general have increased in Morehead 28%. It's moved from 35 to 45, but I would say this area is not typical of Morehead City.
No.
But Morehead City is a great place to have a second home or a permanent home in Carteret County.
It's
with
so
easy. With the
In
Bogue
this
Sound.
particular neighborhood, there's a lot of year-round people here. Great community.
For sure.
And it's easy to bike downtown to Shevins Park, to the restaurants. There's so much. And across the street is a beach that is expansive. It goes the entire block. So
A sandy beach.
It's a sandy, beautiful beach. So it makes this particular block or two really desirable.
Yeah.
And
for
this
sure.
house is desirable regardless.
We look forward to seeing you soon. I hope to have it on at the end of the week.
Yeah, and I've got one that's on Arundel Street that's just come on the market.
Oh, it's so great.
It's
a great house. It's full of stuff, so we're working on that. It used to be an antique store, and she closed the door about 4 years ago and really haven't been in there since. So we're working on getting the stuff out, but it's built in 1905. The square footage is like 1,700 square feet, but it's got really beautiful woodwork in
and
it.
hardwoods. And
it's just
much
and it's got the brick, the porch. It's an old craftsman-style house. It's just, it's in a great location. It's listed as a commercial space.
And it's a great price.
Yeah, it is, $350.
It's
So
fabulous
call us on
price.
that one.
Do we have any lookouts that we're talking about? Anybody looking out for anything this week?
Do you have a buyer that's looking for something?
Yes, I do. I need a dunescape condominium desperately.
Yeah, good luck.
So if you're out there and you're considering it, please call me.
Well, that's our lookout for this week.
That's right.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
We look forward to seeing you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye-bye.